In this video, we'll take a look at how to upgrade Xformers. Now, when you upgrade Xformers, your system will need to be ready for upgrading Xformers. I can show you what the current situation is on my system. So you can see Xformers there, torch. And if we go to this page, pypi.org, it has Xformers as a project, and there are several versions that are available. We've selected 0.0.20, and that's the one we're going to install. So the command for installing it is given up here, and if we click on the button, boom, we've got it copied. So we can now go to Windows where the stable diffusion is actually installed. Let's right click and choose Git Bash here. Now that opens up a window. Just drag that window here, and we can go ahead and right click and paste. And this instruction here should start the upgrade. So let me enter, and it's going to collect some information and start the installation. Okay, that completed without any errors. So what we can do now is to start the upgrade process inside of Stable Diffusion. Now, what we'll need to do is to add a flag to the web user document. So what we've got is an instruction here. You're running Xformers 17. The program is tested to work with Xformers 20. And when this message came up whilst I was starting Stable Diffusion, that is how I knew. That's what prompted me to upgrade. So we'll copy this particular line, and then we'll paste it inside the web user document. So let's edit this. We come to the command line, and we're going to paste that flag, and then we'll save and restart Stable Diffusion. And this time around, when I was starting Stable Diffusion, it actually went ahead and upgraded and installed the Xformers, the upgrade to the most recent version that we just downloaded. So it says here successfully installed Xformers 0.0.20, and we can go ahead and use that inside of Stable Diffusion. And inside of Stable Diffusion, if we go to Settings, Reload UI, it should restart just here locally. And you can see here we've got the Xformers. That's the one we just upgraded to. And it was really seeing that message inside of the command window, the command prompt window, that told me, okay, maybe I might want to try to upgrade it. Now, after installation, the first time I ran the software, it took a long time to complete, but the second time it really kind of took no time at all. So it's now working fine, and I'm perfectly happy having the new and the latest Xformers.